Welcome to datacloudies. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to deploy an application to the Google App Engine standard. Log into the GCP dashboard, select the App Engine, and map the appropriate project name. Click on the Create Application. Select the region. Then, choose the runtime as Python and deployment type as standard. This will take a couple of minutes to provision the App Engine. Once the App Engine configured, enable the Cloud Shell on the other hand. Connect to the project. I will take the project ID from the dashboard. I have already downloaded the sample Python web application from GitHub. The link provided at the description as well. The main script has a couple of lines to just display the hello world. Application YAML file contains the runtime parameter. Let us execute the main script and verify the output locally. Alright. It is working fine. Let us move to cloud deployment. Execute the app deploy command to configure the app to the engine. Parse Y here. This might take a couple of seconds to provision the deployment. Once complete, browse the app through the cloud command. Excellent. You can also curl the output in the Cloud Shell as well. Verify the log file of this deployment. That is it. We have deployed the sample web app successfully to the App Engine. Thank you for watching it. Stay connected for more videos. Bye.